Hi, I'm James and welcome back to another video from Binks Balustrades. Today we're going to be doing a video on the balustrade builder that we've just launched on our new website. It's a really simple tool and it gives us the information that we require to give you an accurate quote straight off the bat. I'm just going to jump on the Mac and talk you through the process. Okay, so you open up the home page, the balustrade builder is there, click on the balustrade builder. Okay, you're faced with two options. So you have a stainless steel and glass balustrade, which is posts and toughened glass, or you have a frameless glass balustrade option. So we'll click on the stainless steel glass balustrade option. It brings you up three further options. It's straight, it's L-shaped or goes around a corner, or it's U-shaped, i.e. three sides. We'll click on the U-shape. Click next. Then comes up with another option to give you the lengths of each side of your U-shape. So if we just click 3 meters, 3 meters, and 3 meters. Click next. Then takes you through to another screen where you can choose your options. You can have privacy glass. We have a standard clear glass as a standard option, or you can choose privacy glass as a separate option. You can have 12-month ceramic coating applied in the workshop, or you can apply for having this with a top rail on. Then choose indoor or outdoor, because it's a different grade of stainless steel. Just click on the outdoor and go through to next. You then come onto a screen where you input your details. So if you input your full name, email address and a contact number and an approximate location of the job, send it through and we will get back in touch with you via phone or email with a quote within 24 hours. It really is as simple as that. If you have any more questions or you struggle with a balustrade builder, please give us a call or email us at contact@binksbalustrades.co.uk and we'll see you on the next video.